Hi, and welcome back to the Investment Banker course. Today we're going to be talking about Lesson 5, what role do investment bankers play in the capital management game? This is Investment Banking University's Independent Investment Banker course. Hope you're enjoying it so far. This is a really helpful topic. This doesn't get discussed very much in other financial modeling and valuation courses that are very tactically focused in a good way on the finance with Excel skills of taking data, analyzing it using Excel with financial modeling and valuation, and then generating insights. But we need a broader picture. We need to understand, hey, what role are investment bankers playing in the capital management game? We already discussed what the capital management game is. So, just an introduction here. Key intermediaries in capital allocation, expertise in financial markets, value creation, and efficiency are the topics of today. Investment bankers connect companies seeking capital with investors looking for profitable opportunities, serving as essential intermediaries in the capital management ecosystem. They possess deep knowledge of financial markets, investment vehicles, and strategic advisory services, making them invaluable in facilitating capital flows and driving value creation. So in terms of capital advisory and structuring, of course, we're going to need to start out by assessing the financial needs of companies that we're working with to understand their financial requirements, helping them identify the most suitable capital raising strategies to meet their objectives, evaluating capital sources, the need to analyze various capital sources of capital such as equity, debt, and hybrid instruments to determine the best mix that aligns with the company's financial goals and market conditions. This really is a solution mapping function here. So not only are we mapping the right product or the right service, but we're mapping the right financial instrument or product to that particular need or goal. So in terms of structure transactions by advising the optimal mix of capital, pricing, terms, timing, ensuring companies can access necessary funds efficiently while minimizing dilution and optimizing their capital structure. Another product of investment banking is, of course, going to be mergers and acquisitions facilitation. We identify strategic opportunities or strategic alternatives by positioning potential acquisition targets or suitable merger partners, leveraging their industry expertise and market insights to find strategic fits. Due diligence and valuation, going through comprehensive due diligence and providing detailed valuation analyses to assess the financial impact, strategic fit, and other potential synergies of M&A transactions. And then negotiation and integration. So clearly, negotiating deal terms, facilitating discussions between parties, and guiding companies through the complex integration process and the realization of projected synergies and value creation there. So in terms of capital markets expertise, investment bankers help companies navigate the complexities of the capital market, equities, debt, derivatives, alternative investment vehicles, ensuring successful fundraising. We already talked about IPOs, and in terms of underwriting and distribution, their underwriting and distribution capabilities enable companies to tap into a broad network of institutional retail investors, ensuring successful capital raising efforts and broad market participation. So other financial advisory services, growth advisory can be one of them. So investment bankers offer additional, advisory when it comes to corporate restructuring, divestitures, spinoffs, capital optimization strategies, and other value creation opportunities. So valuing value is clearly the technical task of the analyst, and then using that to justify making a move from a strategic perspective. So hopefully this has been helpful, guys. Stay tuned.